Billy Wiz back online, and we're going to show you how to take the door card off an old Ford Transit Connect. It's a Mk1 basically, and you'll have the door card. It'll look something like this. I've already taken it off to make this video as quick as possible. You'll see that there's lugs all the way around, 3 on the left, 3 on the right. You can see it, 3 on the right on that side, and then 3 at the bottom there as well. But you'll need to unscrew. It's just a standard Phillips head. You need to pop off the handle. The handle should be quite easy, it's just literally a cog that pops off. I can't even find it at the moment to show you. It pops back on. There's one screw, there's a little screw right in here. You need to pop off a blanking cap behind the door opening mechanism. And also there's a blanking plate on the handle there, and that has 2 screws in it. Once you got that off, you should be able to lift it up like that and take the door card off. Like I said, you have the 2 screws. The ones that you're probably getting stuck on, you can see all the ones around the side, is the one on the blanking plate there, and the 2 in there, and then obviously you can just pop the handle off for the wind down window. If it's electric, you may need to disconnect it in a different way. I hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for anything Billy Wiz Gamer over and air.